Great day everybody, welcome to skillup.dimension. Today we got here another video from one of the most popular first-person shooter ever made, Counter-Strike Global Offensive. After one of the recent videos I was contacted by multiple people about how did I place the bots in the middle of the map, not on the spawn and not like just shooting bots and so on and running on the map, but how did I place bot where I want to have it. So today I'm going to show you how to place bots on your map. First of all, make sure that you have enabled console. This is console where you can write multiple commands. So if you want to turn it on, you can go to settings and then you will go to enable developer console, and here make sure is yes. Then you will just set up by what you want to launch it. Okay, nextly go to play Csgo and click on this and choose practice with bots. After that, you can choose on which map you want to practice with bots, so in my case it's Inferno, and click on go. Okay, as soon as the game is loaded, you have to choose if you want to go play a city or T. It doesn't matter at all. But after you click on this, I click for example on city, as you can see something like normal game has started. But I don't want this, I want to practice Molotovs or anything else. So first of all, to stop this, I have to turn on cheats. So sv_cheats1 will start the cheats, and then I will click on bot_stop1, and as you can see, the bots stopped. Even they previously round on the mid and started to fight with T bots, they are now all staying and just watching on each other. Now we can practice what we came here for, how to place bots and practice Warriors nades, Molotovs and so on. But as you can see, we got only a minute left, so we want to make it 60 minutes. We had enough time to practice. For this I will click on mp_round time diffuse, and I will click few times on the 9 to actually make it 60 minutes. Of course, also I will click on mp_freeze time 0, so we don't have to wait every time the round is restarted. And the last but not least is mp restart game. What will actually restart the game? Bots are staying on the spawn, and we can just move in. As you can see, the time is 60 minutes, so we can do whatever we want. Now when the cheats are on, we can simply do what we came here for, place the bots. So let's say that you want to put bot here on the coffins, so simply we'll aim here, open console, and then write bot_place. And as you can see, bot is placed on the ruined box. Like this, you can do it anywhere you want. So for example, you can place bot here as well, open console, arrow to the top, bot place, click, and bot is placed behind the first box as well. If you want to use this command multiple times, you can simply bind it. So in my case, let's say bind on K and then bot_place, and then every time I will click on K, as you can see, we are placing the bots around the map. Then for example, if you want to kill your bots, you can do it by bot_kill, and it will actually kill all of the bots, and also it will restart the round, but the bots are still staying and your bind is still working. So, but let's say you don't want to have 10 bots on one map, so in this case you can click and write bot_kick, and this will actually kick all of the bots from the server. In case you want them back, you can simply add them. So you can write bot_add to add random bot like city or T, or you can write bot_add city to add city bot, or T to add T bot. Okay, so now you know almost everything what you can do with the bots. You know how to add them, how to kill them, how to kick them, how to place them. But there is one more thing you can do with them, and this is mimic them. So for this, write to console bot underscore mimic 1, and then bots are doing what you are doing. I don't know what you want to use it for, but you can use it for whatever you want. The bots are moving like you are moving, jumping like you are jumping, and shooting like you are shooting. So ladies and gentlemen, that is all for this video. I really hope I helped you. I really hope you like this. If you want to see more tutorial videos on this channel, hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe, or you can join our membership program and become one of these killers, what will unlock you multiple perks on the channel, as special loyalty badges, access to member-only community posts, and also it will support our channel in a huge way. Also, you can follow us on our socials, where you can find various info about new videos and short tutorial posts as well. Okay, but now that's really all. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.